Let's have a look at PeachTree imports today. It's a great product, very flexible, can handle any kind of transaction. We can also import control table information like vendors, customers, chart of accounts, whatever it is. It can be imported. So let's have a look. How do we find out about imports? The first thing we'll do is go to Help. Open the Help menu. Let's search the index here for import. And it brings up a nice window here with various topics. It covers all kinds of things. Today I want the field definitions. Let's scroll down here for General Journal. Pick that up. Just out of convenience, I want a record of this. I'm going to move this into a spreadsheet. So I'm going to select the data here, copy it, bring it into Excel, and I'm going to paste it here. And then I'm going to clean it up so I can see it. I've already cleaned it up, so we won't show you how to use Excel today. Notice what we have here. We've got the field name, whether it's importable, it's required, a description, and a character limit. Highlighted in yellow, the required fields. There are 8 required fields, and that's what we're going to work with today in formatting our journal. So next step is to get our chart of accounts. Done with the Help menu here. Let's go to Lists, Chart of Accounts, do a Send to Excel. Okay. Let's see what that looks like when we get it into Excel. Let's bring our Excel file back here. I already did this ahead of time. So let's have a look here. This is the account list. It gives you the account ID, its description, type, and running balance. We don't need the balance for this work, but it's here. We'll leave it alone. What's important is you have the account IDs, so we can copy and paste them into the journal. We want these to be precise, or the system is not going to recognize them, and the account ID will be rejected. That'll kill the whole import. So here we have a little grid, and I've got 3 journals here. I got the first one here for an allocation of office supplies. Well, let's see. That's 3 rows. Got the monthly depreciation, 3 rows, and some bank transfers. Notice debits and credits are in a single column, and credits are negative, debits are positive. Standard accounting fair. Formatted the date 2/2/2, month, day, year, and I've formatted the dollar column like this. Number, negative number with a leading minus sign, no separator, 2 decimal places. Here's the date format. Right here. That's the date format. Okay, so there we are. We have a nice file. We're going to save our file. Then we're going to export this file or save it as a CSV type file. File, save as. Click in here, press the letter C. It'll take you right to it. Save MoGrow import CSV. Keep track of where you're saving it so you can retrieve it. Yes. Go through the dialog boxes. Read the messages carefully. That'll keep you from losing your data. I've already saved it. I don't need to save it. It's from the import I just demonstrated, the export. So I don't need that either. We're done with Excel. We're done with the account list. We're ready to import. For import, File, Import. There it is. Select Import Export. Brings up a new dialog box. Go to General Ledger and select General Journal. Dings because there's nothing to click here. You've got to go to the icon here for import. And this is where you fix the general import for the 8 fields we're going to collect today in the import. So I'm going to turn off the things we're not using. And I've got a crib sheet on my desk here that tells me what I need to keep in and what I need to keep out. Here I've got 8 fields. I know this is right. Just so you know, if your import comes with the fields in a different order, you can change the order. Watch amount change from 6 to 5. Put it back because it's where I need it. Don't click OK. That fires the process. Go to the Options tab. Show it where to find the import. Okay, remember we saved a file. There's the MoGrow. That CSV file we saved a while back. Okay, notice it changes this. I know that the first row has headers in it. That's a row of captions. Those will be discarded by the program when it reads the data. And now this is ready to go. There are two more things you can do here. You can save this for reuse. I've already done that. So I'm going to cancel here. I'll show you. I'll bring back the one I saved. When you click OK, it's going to run the import. I'm going to cancel here so I can bring it back around to the one I saved. See, I saved this earlier. It adds it to the menu. Go to import. It's already here. Everything's already formatted. Nothing to click on or off. Options. See here, this is the file name we selected. This is already selected. I'm going to click OK, and there it is. It's going to ask you, did you make a backup? If you answer yes here, it continues the process. If you answer no, it backs out and gives you a chance to make a backup of your file. If you're doing a big import, it's a good idea to run that import. Here we are. I'm ready to go. Tasks. General journal entry. List. Here they are, 1, 2, and 3. They're here. There's the first one. There's the second one. There's the third one. These are all done. Isn't that great? That's it. That's the whole process.